Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Kenmore ovens, the dreaded error code F10. If you're dealing with this in 2025, don't worry, we've got you covered with straightforward advice to get your oven back up and running. This error typically signals a problem with the oven's temperature sensor or control system, which can cause it to overheat or malfunction. Let's break it down step by step so you can troubleshoot effectively. First off, what does F10 mean? In Kenmore ovens, this code often indicates a runaway temperature issue, where the oven thinks it's getting too hot, even if it's not. This could be due to a faulty oven temperature sensor, damaged wiring, or even a glitch in the electronic control board. It's a safety feature designed to prevent fires, but it can be frustrating when it interrupts your cooking. To start troubleshooting, always prioritize safety. Unplug your oven or turn off the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical risks. Begin with the basics. Check if there's any visible damage to the wires connected to the sensor. Dust and debris can sometimes cause issues, so give the interior a gentle clean with a soft cloth. Next, if you're handy, you might want to test the temperature sensor using a multimeter. A reading outside the normal range, usually around 1000 to 1100 ohms at room temperature, could mean it's time for a replacement. You can find compatible sensors online or at appliance parts stores. Remember, if your oven is still under warranty, contact Kenmore support first for 2025 models. They might offer free repairs. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it could be a more complex issue like a faulty control board. In that case, it's best to call a certified technician to avoid voiding any warranties or causing further damage. Regular maintenance, like keeping your oven clean and avoiding overloading it, can help prevent this error in the future. There you have it, your quick guide to fixing Kenmore oven error code F10. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more home appliance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe and happy cooking. Thanks for watching.